everyone, it's Masiduba here again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this episode is called Clean My Washing Machine with me. Now let me show you. It's easy, simple, like open, close, wash, that's it. So let me show you step by step how you clean your Siemens washing machine. Now this is my washing area, that is my washing machine, and I will post about this one later. So this is my washing area, you can see, and my ironing stuffs, and today I just washed some clothes and today I'm dealing with that. So let me show you how to clean it. First, if you need to clean this, a lot of people get stressed on how to remove this, and you can see it's clean. I just washed it, so you have to press this one. Okay, you press this one and you pull upward. Simple and easy, right? Next, what you need to do, you need to open this one. Right, you press here. Okay, we have this pipe here. You open it and you drain that dirty water. Yep. After that, you need to lock it back. Lock that one back, just like that. And then we have this one. You twist it and open it. You still have water there that will come out, very dirty. You can see this one is really dirty. You clean it and you need to wipe in there. Although I had cleaned earlier, I did not clean this one, that's why it's dirty. And I should show you guys on how to clean it. Right, and we are done. Then I will wipe this one. It's not really dirty. I don't stay for so long without cleaning them, so the dirty that is there, something I can just wipe and it's clean, and lock back. And this, you just put it back there. And then lock this one back. Oh. One more important area, it's in between this. It always gets really dirty. Yeah, let me show you. You just put the towel in between. Yes, you see, it's not really dirty. I said previously I had cleaned it. Yep. And close it. Okay, let me do something. Right, you close it. Now you come back here, turn it on. You can see here they say drum clean. Okay, now I will put drum clean. I need to clean my drum. Okay, and turn it on and it will clean itself. Easy peasy, right? Bye guys. If this video helped you in one way or the other, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe guys. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. The other channel got terminated. I'm still working on that, and let's get this one to 1,000 subscribers, at least 1,000. I'm not asking for much.